Attention! Are your investments safe from shady brokers? Ever wondered how Europe keeps those sneaky, shady brokers at bay? It's all thanks to the mighty regulatory bodies like the FCA, the CySEC, and the European Securities and Markets Authority ESMA. Picture this, your hard-earned moolah, safe and sound in segregated client accounts. No more sleepless nights worrying about a shakedown broker running away with your cash. Can you imagine having full transparency, fair pricing, and brokers that spill the beans on any hidden agendas? These regulations demand brokers to be as solid as a rock financially, with regular audits to ensure they're not playing games with your money. Do you know what else is good for keeping your money safe? Introducing your secret weapon, Wikifx, the ultimate resource for traders seeking reliable brokers around the world. Uncover licensing information, regulatory compliance, and real user reviews in just a few clicks. With Europe's Forex laws as your knight in shining armor, protecting your investments and putting the power back in your hands. It's time to trade with confidence and kiss those scams goodbye. Remember, the Forex market is full of opportunities, and with Europe's Forex laws and Wikifx by your side, you're unstoppable. Don't forget to smash that like button and follow for more updates. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.